Shopify is clearly not working for you. You've tried running Facebook ads and you was banned from Facebook. You've tried using Google ads and you were banned from Google. Now you have a Shopify store that's not getting any sales and you're barely even getting traffic. You feel like you failed and you feel like that everybody on the internet, everybody on YouTube is telling lies about how much money they make on Shopify. Well, there's a solution. Now, there's this digital marketing company. They provide their services to help people who have Shopify stores, and they also help people with different websites. And the link is in the description. The link is in my description. The link is called shoprandalls.com. Okay. Now, this company, they've been doing great things, helping people with their Shopify stores, help build brands. They're building brands and they're making plenty of money by helping other people to make plenty of money. Now, this company is helping people to get traffic to their stores and they are getting sales. Their return on the investment is very, very high. So this is a good company, and this is a way that you can break free from debt and from lack and from all of the bad things that's going on with your e-com business. Now, all you have to do is just take a look at it, check it out, go to the website and see what they have to offer you. See what they can do to help you to build your brand and to help you to skyrocket your sales, because it is time. It's year 2023 and it is time for you to make some real money. It's time for you to start getting paid. You've been on Shopify for far too long and you haven't made one red cent. It's time for you to make some money. Okay. This is your year to get paid. This is your year to make some money. So go ahead and click in the link in the description so you can get started today. You want to get started as soon as possible. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for everything.